How's it going? Blessings and love to you, beautiful souls. Kiara DeCass here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. And I'm so excited yet again to be with you guys. I appreciate you, my beautiful community. Thank you. We're nearly close on 300 subscribers on the channel. That is amazing. We have had tremendous growth this year on the channel. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you all for being there, for me, for yourselves, and for the community, of course. Let's get Crypto Bliss today, because I have an awesome project that is considered a blue chip project that can make you a millionaire one day if you invested X amount into this project today. Now, this project is very strong and is very powerful in the blockchain space, in the developing space, in the Oracle space. And I'm sure, using that word Oracle, you now already know exactly which project I'm talking about. So let's not waste any more time and just get straight to the video, because today, Chainlink is gonna change your life in the future. Yeah, you heard me, guys. So Chainlink is ranked number 24th on the crypto market cap. We are sitting at $7.26. As we speak, we're down only 1.1% for the day. The market cap is $3.5 billion. The trading volume is 314 million. The fully diluted valuation is 7.2 billion. Circulating supply is just under 500,000, and there is a maximum supply of 1 billion and a total supply of 1 billion. Now that's pretty darn decent, okay? Especially because of the way that the project is. So look at this project, where it's come from, boom, 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 where we are today. We have found support on this area down here. Okay, as you can see, we have found support there on this. So we are down 86.2% from 2021, May 10th. Sell in May, go away. $52.70, it was its all-time high. And we are currently 4,800% up from 2017, about 5 years ago, 4,808%. So imagine you bought Chainlink at this price, guys, in 2017, if you were in the market. You are sitting well. Your assets, your portfolios are well, super well. It doesn't matter if the market has drawn down 86%, you're still sitting deeply in profits on your net asset value. So that's flipping awesome, guys. Now, what is Chainlink? Well, Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle networks provide tamper-proof inputs, outputs, and computations to support advanced smart contracts on any blockchain. So what this is doing is it's a decentralized Oracle network that is connecting all the smart contracts between all other blockchains in the blockchain ecosystem and in the crypto ecosystem. So this is phenomenal. You can develop with it. You can explore the solutions. It's got crazy partners, guys. Aave, Synthetics, Compound, Paxos, TrueFi, Nexus, ENS. Chainlink has also enabled over 7 trillion in value. 7 trillion in value, guys. Okay. Do you think it could reach these prices one day because of what it does? I mean, it's partnered with aehUX, with Solana, with Ethereum, with, I mean, all kinds of really cool things. So what is TVE, transaction value enabled, is a Web3 metric that measures the aggregate monetary value of transactions facilitated by a protocol over a given period of time. TVE is calculated by taking the sum of the USD value associated with each transaction that passed through a protocol during a given period. The industry standard Oracle network. Chainlink greatly expands the capabilities of smart contracts by enabling access to real-world data and off-chain computation, while maintaining the security and reliability guarantees inherent to blockchain technology. Now, this is exactly what blockchain needs. So it's a highly secure and flexible infrastructure, reliable, tamper-proof network, seamless connection to any API, proven ready-made solutions, high reliable information. You can deploy your contracts, start building with your smart contract. I mean, look here, they're giving you everything that you need to really just build on the platform, guys. So this is a very, very powerful blockchain. and you can catch them all across their social media platforms. You've got social media, social impact programs, research programs, integration grants, community grant programs. Guys, this stuff is amazing. Former CEO. Now, one of the biggest things about this is that in the Smart Conference 2022 by Chainlink, former Google CEO Eric Schmidt shares what it takes to win in Web3 SmartCon 22. One of the most highly anticipated speakers at SmartCon 22 was former Google Schmidt, who became strategic advisor to Chainlink's labs last December. Well done to Chainlinks for getting this right, because wow, that is going to blow your mind out the water, guys. If you want to come over and do some more research, come on over to chain.link and find or click on CoinGecko's link here and go to the website straight and have a look. Now we are starred on 366,000 people's watch lists. Now let's go and see the chart, because the chart is quite exciting, guys. Look at this baby. Wow. Okay, so as you can see, that's the bottom, which kind of coincides with almost hitting the top of that, and finding support on this level here. Now we're under the ribbons and we're trying to break above the ribbons. Although we're very overbought on the stochastic and a little bit downturning on the RSI, that is okay. We know the market is due to expect some sort of pullback from this heavy run up in the market. So it's okay. Now I put the Fibonacci here, the Fibonacci levels, and as you guys can see, and I need to get this a very close up for you guys, is here's the 618 level right here. Okay. Yeah. The 618 level is at $34. Now we're at $7.23. So that's 5x your gains. 5x just from here, just to get back to the Fibonacci level, which is where most of the resistance is that you can see on Chainlink. Yes, there might be a little bit of resistance down here at double the price of where it is at now, about $15. So that's going to be pretty cool, guys. If you look at that, we're going to meet that resistance. We all know that it needs to retrace back to the 61.8 Fibonacci. Now let's go and measure what kind of percentage gain that could possibly be for us. Because if we just did a gain up to that level, if we just did a gain right up to that level, that would be a nearly 400% gain on your money. Okay, that's amazing. So that's 4 to 5x. That's what we were talking about. Okay, that's for every 100% gains in crypto, you're doubling up your money. Okay, so when you go from 100 to 200, you're doubling up your money. When you go from 200 to 400, you're doubling it up, and so on and so forth, guys. So it's really very, very powerful in the space. Now, do you think it could get much higher than that? Well, yes, I do think so, because look where these Fibonacci levels are actually heading off to. And the 4.2 level on the Fibonacci, which is the top of the Fibonacci, is all the way up at $204. Could it one day get there? I'm pretty confident it could, looking at what it's doing in the market at the moment. So let's go and have a look at the juicy part of this video, because today the market cap is sitting at $3.5 billion. The current price is 3.27. If you had to invest 10,000, you would get 1,375 coins. The all-time high was 5270. That's a 7.2x ratio just to get to the all-time high, which means you would 7.2x your gains from where we are today. My personal accumulation goal of this crypto would be 1,000 of these coins over time, which would cost me 7270, and that would yield me that at some point, which would be really phenomenal, guys. Now, could we go from 3.5 billion to 10 billion? It's been there before, guys. So it's been 10, maybe 30, but it's maybe been at maybe a 30 billion market cap. Okay, so it's already been there. So it's only a 2.7x from where we are now. I believe we could definitely hit the $100 billion market cap, and look at that. Isn't that insane? There's the 203.41. What did we say on the chart here? 203.93. Isn't that saying something to you guys? This crypto definitely will go to this $100 billion market cap in the future. What happens at that point? I don't know. It might take a couple years to get there, but at the end of the day, if you're taking your 10,000 and 27, nearly 28xing it, you're taking 10,000, you're converting 280,000. Guys, that's amazing. Could it ever hit $1 trillion market cap? Well, with 7 billion in trading volume over its life span so far, I don't see it being impossible over time, but that is a very big ask for this crypto at this point. And essentially that would take us up to a $2,000 price, $2,034 price, which would 280x your gains, which this is the point where you could become a millionaire. So you might have to wait a very, very long time or increase the investment, increase your investment value, which is why we now have this point, because at this point, how much do you actually need to get $1 million? Well, you would need 4,916 Chainlink at a cost of $36,000. Is that possible for many people? Probably not right now, okay? And this is why I say to you, just dollar cost average into your positions. This is a very juicy crypto. It's super strong. It might not be as intense on the gains as I have shown you on some of the other millionaire cryptos, but this is a phenomenal one, guys. So come on over and do your own research into the project. I definitely believe this project minimum will be $204 in the near future. Who knows, that could be in the 2024, 2025 bull run at the end. And yeah, I mean, we could easily see a pump up from there. Look at how crypto just pumps, guys. We need to break that high here, which is great. So I do believe we could do that. Do you believe we could do that? Hit me down with the comments below in my video, and please remember to like, subscribe, and share the video if you enjoy.